Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make some breakfast sliders. First you want to start off by cooking 12 sausage patties. We are using Butterball turkey sausage patties. Then scramble up 6 eggs. In a baking dish, place 12 Hawaiian dinner rolls, and you want to cut in half lengthwise and place top part aside. Then add your scrambled eggs, you're cooking! Yeah, you're cooking! Then place 4 to 6 slices of pepper jack cheese. I like to leave about 2 sliders without cheese for our daughter. Then place the sausage patties on top of the cheese. And you can see my daughter's little hand. She loves to help. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. Then top off with the top buns. Now in a small bowl, I have half a cup of melted butter. I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of maple syrup and mix together. Then brush that delicious glaze over the top of the rolls.
Good girl. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay.
You're going to bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 15 minutes or until cheese is melted and bubbly. Yeah. Well, I hope you all enjoyed watching us make these breakfast sliders. You guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all for my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Say bye, baby.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye.
Say bye.
If you guys would like to see some more recipes, I'll have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye. Say bye, baby.
Say bye-bye.
Gotta say bye. You're being shy. Yummy, huh?
Dig in.
Yes. Look at eat some. Yeah, this one's mommy's. Yummy, huh? Oh, you want that one too?
Yeah.
Not mine. No way.
Mine.